Looking for a powerful drone that won't empty your wallet? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2025, featuring 8K cameras, GPS, 3-axis gimbals, and insane flight performance at prices you won't believe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share the latest tech and gadget reviews that help you get the best value for your money. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Potensic ATOM SE. First up, the Potensic ATOM SE, a sub 249 grams drone that packs professional-grade features in a compact body. Product info. 249 grams lightweight design, no registration needed in most regions. GPS auto return and follow me for smart tracking. AES, electronic image stabilization, ensures buttery smooth footage. 4 km flight range for long distance control. Single-axis gimbal for balanced shots. Reviews say users love its stable flight and easy controls, making it one of the best beginner-friendly drones under budget. Pros: legal to fly without registration. Great battery life. Compact and travel-ready. Reliable GPS and video stability. Number 2. P7 Max drone. The P7 Max drone, a high-end GPS drone that's all about range, clarity, and control. Product info. 8K Ultra HD camera with crystal clear video. 20 km digital image transmission range, yes, 20 kilometers. Built-in screen remote control. Brushless motors for smooth, powerful flight. GPS and return to home function for safe flying. Reviews say users are blown away by the image transmission range and crisp 8K footage, comparing it to premium drones twice the price. Pros: insane 20 km transmission. Sharp 8K resolution. Built-in screen means no phone required. Durable and wind resistant. Number 3. SX1 Max drone. The SX1 Max brings you the perfect balance of stability, image quality, and smart design. Product info. 4K professional camera on a 3-axis gimbal. GPS positioning and auto return. Brushless motors for quieter, more stable flight. FPV with large screen controller. Foldable design for easy portability. Reviews say the 3-axis gimbal delivers cinematic level stability and the screen controller eliminates any lag or pairing issues. Pros: true 3-axis stabilization. Built-in FPV screen. Easy controls for smooth flight. Compact, foldable build. Number 4. ZLL SG9009 Max. The ZLL SG9009 Max is a feature-packed GPS drone designed for safety and stability. Product info. 4K UHD camera with 6 km transmission. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors. Touchscreen controller for live FPV feed. GPS auto return and follow me mode. Foldable and portable design. Reviews say users are impressed by how well the obstacle avoidance works, making it a great pick for both beginners and experienced flyers. Pros: 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. Crisp 4K camera. Touchscreen control. Solid GPS accuracy. Number 5. AE3 Pro Max Plus. Finally, the AE3 Pro Max Plus, a true flagship-level drone at a budget price. Product info. Dual 8K cameras with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Obstacle avoidance technology. GPS return to home and waypoint flight. Foldable and travel-friendly design. Reviews say pilots love the dual camera versatility and professional stability, making this a go-to drone for serious aerial photography. Pros: dual 8K cameras. 3-axis gimbal. Obstacle avoidance. Great build quality and battery life. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a traveler, or a pro content creator, there's a perfect match here for your budget and skill level. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more drone and gadget reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, the sky's not the limit. It's your playground.